Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good day, and good night, wherever and whenever you're watching my FM Signals info show. My name is still Damir Galic from good old Germany, and you're welcome to another 48 hours technical analysis and synthesis. Today, Central European time, of course, I want to give you a trading capability about the Australian dollar, Chinese yuan once again. So analyze this stuff again, it's still yours. Okay, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Again, it's 16 o'clock 04:05 right here right now, Central European time, of course, on Wednesday, the first trading day in February 2012. Or, for example, Shanghai, of course, 23:05 in the evening, or in Sydney, 2 o'clock 5 in the morning, Thursday. Okay, here we see the Australian Chinese yuan. I'm choosing this chart yesterday or the day before, if I'm not wrong. However, yes, in the day before, at starting of the week, yes, now I remembered. And we see here, I don't wanna give you a larger review analysis. Watched the chart or the video from the 30th January here. Here was the entry, and we see it was a great opportunity. The Cross-Rate comes back, but reverse sharply in the last day, or while Europe opened this morning, or before Europe opened. So very interesting figure, characteristic, of course, scenario, and I'm thinking that could be another trading capability even until the end of the week. Okay. However, here we see the chart again, and with the highs of January 2026 here we see it was a resistance. Here the fails, once again the fails break out of this triangle here, proudly at the highs of here, fails breakout, then the sell-off, then this was the entry, even the lows because of that scenario here. And we see, oops, no, that's not I wanted. One moment please. Okay, hangover, but we are back online. Okay, it's 16:08 Wednesday evening, Central European time. Okay, Once again, here we see the entry, or that was the main scenario at the start of the week, last week. It's triangle, fails breakout. Here the resistance line. Here the sell-off, the fails breakout. Here was the area, buy area. And then the upside trend goes down, and here once again a great sharply recovery in the last hours. 8 hours, 9 hours. Okay, last 8 hours. And here we once again, I don't accept that we will ever get in this trend back. So, but interesting for me, of course, are much more this line. That's the reason why I'm creating it. Here the highs, and I'm thinking after this sharp recovery, yesterday night, or while I was creating the monthly review, I hoped we fell a little bit lower, perhaps here, back in this area. So, of course, 6.575, but yes, the market makes here probably a sharp recovery. So we've got a new scenario, in my opinion. So if you want, you can all delete this, forget this, all put it in on your desk if you want. And here's the new FM signal for the next 48 hours. Even I would still go long in this cross rate, and I would create here even the stop line, even at 6.75, of course. I would take the stop. These are from here right now 20 pips. So it's enough space for the downside, and much more, in my opinion, for the upside. Yes. Here it's the 5-minute chart, of course. Here we see the 50-minute chart for a better overview, perhaps. Here it's very sharp, so don't make a stop. Perhaps we, of course, bulls in this case scenario can also squeezed out, so be prepared, by the way. And in the end, I've got another interesting point. Here I'm creating the trading sessions, in this case even for Wall Street trading session, opened since 41 minutes. Of course. And yes, we see here no heavy developments or moves. That's what I'm searching for, or the reason why I'm choosing this chart, or this cross rate once again. Even Europe, in the Northwest, the same problems as last year, or since 2-3 years if you want, crisis, debt, etc., go on so long, and economic issues, data day by day. So I'm ignoring all these data facts and trading this cross rate purely technically. And yes, it works at the start of the week proudly, and I'm hoping, and that's the reason why I'm choosing this cross rate again. Here we see the trading data. Okay, here a back squeeze, great turnaround, but in other not so much. So that's the reason why I'm choosing this chart. Here once again, in the end, the trading session of Sydney and Beijing, of course Shanghai, and here we see also not so big moves, and yes, from this point, or the reason why I'm showing you this time session is even the fact that this cross rate is not so much driven even by economic data. So we can, or if you're trading this currency, you can, or we can trade it purely on technical issues. So okay, here the 50 minutes, sharply, it's still going. So if you want to trade this currency and ask me what to do, I would go long at this cross rate and create or make the stop there. If you're, yes, but analyze the stuff again, it's still yours. I don't want to tell you every signal where to put the stop. It's yours. Yes, I don't know how your risk management is, but if you're still in this, trend and creates the stop here, as I said, it's yours. Analyze the stuff again. You can also put the stop back. If I'm not wrong, I thought to put the stop something like here. Perhaps you're squeezed out. Now try again, but analyze the stuff again. It's still yours, however. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Wish you the best. Take response. Be aware. And don't trade with money if you cannot lose ahead. Okay, thanks for watching, spending your time. Wish you the best. Good morning, good day, and good night, wherever and whenever you're watching my video. Bye bye. Bye.